Hey everyone, so today we're going to show you a really quick and easy meal that we like to do when we're in our van. What we're making is cornmeal, so you could either do this with cream of wheat, any other hot cereal that cooks really fast. It's light, it's filling, it's delicious actually, and like I said, it's really fast to make. So in here I've pre-measured out our cornmeal, and this little container holds half a cup. So I usually do a quarter cup each per person. That's usually a good serving size. And water to cereal ratio for this is 1 to 4. So I'll need 2 cups of water for this. So a trick to really good cornmeal, I find, is to make sure you have adequate salt. So I always just salt the water pretty generously. Now you don't want to go too much to the point where it's going to be just plain salty. But that is a good trick to making sure your cornmeal is not super bland. So all you do is you get your water boiling, and then you add your cornmeal, turn down the heat so you're not overcooking it, but then you basically just cook it until it's nice and thick, and you turn it off and serve it. And like I said, it goes really fast. Okay, so water is boiling, so I'm gonna add the cornmeal. And when you put it in, you want to make sure that you stir it rather quickly, because otherwise you'll get lumps. And then you turn it on the heat to more like a simmer, and then just keep stirring it until it gets nice and thick. Alright, so this is looking pretty close to done. You can go thicker if you want, or runnier if you want, based on how long you cook it, but this is good for me. So that's it for the cornmeal. Like I said, super fast, easy, and I think it's pretty tasty. So you can serve it however you like. I'm sure there's lots of different ways you can serve it. I like to do it best with just some classic cream and sugar. So that's all there is to it. So if you give it a try, let us know how you liked it. And other than that, I think that's it for this video.